Today, I will teach you a rabbit line drawing. Grab your pencil and follow along. The rabbits fall into the category of lagomorphs and not rodents. The teeth of a rabbit are very strong, and they never stop growing. A rabbit can easily live up to 10 years, if properly taken care of. The rabbits can make sounds that are very similar to that of a cat. The meat of a rabbit is not red but white. Rabbits easily suffer heat stroke and therefore prefer to live in cool places. With their eyes placed wide apart, they can easily see behind them. A rabbit sweats only from its pad on the feet. When a rabbit is happy, they jump and twist, which is named as binky. For more drawing factory tutorials, like and subscribe.